Hello YouTube, this is an alcohol review of Cruzan Hurricane Proof Rum. That's right. So this one's the Cruzan line, and well, I don't think I've tried this one yet, so see what we shall see. According to the label, 137 proof, 68.5 alcohol by volume, distilled and blended by Cruzan International, St. Croix, the Virgin Islands. An incredibly tiny writing. It says here, with winds of at least 137 knots, Category 5 hurricanes, are the force all familiar to our home island of St. Croix. Cruzan Hurricane Proof. Bottled at 137 proof. Interesting. 137 knots, 137 proof. Honors the strength that has allowed our community to endure such disasters. Building on this resilient spirit, we've established the Island Spirit Fund, donating a portion of proceeds from every bottle to help communities affected by storms in the U.S. Virgin Islands and across the U.S. Journey with us, cruzanrum.com. That would explain why on the shelf just about every other Cruzan product was almost full, except this was the last bottle I saw of this particular one. I do like that link of 137 proof with 137 knots. Now, since they can almost put anything that they want on the label, we'll take 137 knots as a, well, token speed. It may be true, it may not, I do not know. I do not know the speed or hurricane value of a hurricane. European or African. If you get that joke, you're old. Alright, it is a light caramel with dominating shades of yellow. So think of it like honey and a lemon were getting into a fight. This is the color you get. I do not see it tearing anywhere. But it's not holding a solid line, so I can't tell whether it's tearing so fast that you just can't really tell, or it's not tearing at all. I'm not sure. How strange. Oh, it has a beautiful nose. You can smell some of the ethanol coming off, which is a bit of a, not a fan of that. But obviously you can't get away from it. It's alcohol. Being a caramel and odor like you'd expect in a juicy fruit gum. Very nice. Leaning towards, of all things, eggnog. So a very nice nose. Light nose, but a very nice nose. Oh my. Well, it burns. Wow, she burns. Whew. The hang time, there's a long hang time, and that burn follows with it. Now I'm seeing it tear up. That's nice. It doesn't necessarily bite, but boy, it burns. Hot, flaring, acidic, you like. And you get that chemical ethanol competing with juicy fruit gum and eggnog blended together. So you get like a bit of a caramel, a bit of the orange, stone fruits, all come into this quite nicely. but it's level with that alcohol flavor. And that makes it a bit discouraging because you really want to like it, but at the same time, it has this negative side that's almost on par with what you like. And then the burning. Now, the burning, of course, fades out, leaving you with the battle between that ethanol chemical flavor and all these other nice juicy fruits, caramel, eggnoggy. I know, kind of weird eggnog, but eggnog-esque wrapped into one. So it's hard to love, but you really can't hate it at the same time. You can't give it a high number, can't give it a low number. It just, but to say, oh yeah, right in the middle, it's dead center. It's not. It's two extremes trying to get your attention at one time. And it makes it interesting, to say the least. But as for good, I can't say this is a very good rum. But I cannot say that it is a bad rum. Like I said, it's just two sides of the same coin, fighting for your attention at the same rate. And they both fade out at the same time. So this is really which you're going to lean on. You're going to lean on its negative traits, you're going to lean on its positive traits. And that, my friends, is up to you. You'll have to try it yourself and see what you think. So go out there. It is called Cruzan Hurricane Proof. Partial proceeds, go to a fund to help hurricanes that are lost, poor hurricanes that need a home, or is it to help people victims of hurricanes? I think that's more the case. But either way, any particular comments about this particular product down below will be warmly accepted, as always. So go out, buy it, try it, see what you guys think of Hurricane Proof Cruzan, and let the rest of us on YouTube, try and review it, and on the YouTube, let the rest of us know your thoughts about this particular product. Like I said, you want to love it and you want to hate it at the same time. It's unique that way. But I'm just some fool out in the middle of nowhere. You give it a try, see what you think, and until next time, keep on drinking.